Today, we're going to explore some hidden features in Google Sheets that can help you work smarter, save time, and make your spreadsheets more powerful in 2025. These tips go beyond the basics and show you tools you might not be using yet. First, take advantage of Explore. Located at the bottom right corner of your sheet, Explore analyzes your data and provides automatic charts, summaries, and insights. It's a quick way to understand trends and create visualizations without manually building charts or formulas. Next, use conditional formatting with custom formulas. While basic conditional formatting highlights cells based on simple rules, custom formulas allow you to create advanced rules to highlight complex patterns in your data. This feature can save you time and help you spot important information at a glance. Another hidden gem is named ranges. By naming a specific cell range, you can reference it easily in formulas without manually selecting cells each time. This makes complex spreadsheets easier to manage and reduces the risk of errors when updating data. You can also explore Google Sheets add-ons. Add-ons like Advanced Find and Replace, Power Tools, and SheetGo extend Sheets functionality, allowing you to automate tasks, clean data, or connect with other apps seamlessly. These tools unlock features that aren't available in the default interface. Finally, don't forget keyboard shortcuts and hidden menus. Pressing Alt+/, Option+/ on Mac opens the command search bar, letting you quickly find functions, tools, and settings without navigating menus manually. Learning these shortcuts speeds up your workflow significantly. By discovering and using these hidden features, you can make Google Sheets a much more powerful and efficient tool, helping you manage data and improve productivity in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Google Sheets tips and tricks.